Hello and welcome to another Kuma's Kitchen, and tonight it's on a hot, sweltering night, so there's no cooking going on. We hit 37 degrees Celsius with Osaka humidity just the other day, and this is something you want sort of refreshing on a summer night. This is it. I call this colorful bean and pasta salad. Now what I've got in here is I've got two different types of beans. I've got tomatoes. I've got some pasta. That's the only thing that's cooked, but it's cooked ahead of time, so you don't have to have heat later on. There's corn in here, and olives and things, a nice refreshing dressing. Perfect for summer. All right, let's have some of that. Yeah. After you make it, you just chill it in the fridge for a bit. Oh, perfect. All right, let's go in the kitchen and make some of this right now. All right, let's go over the ingredients for our salad. First of all, across the front are the dressing ingredients. And that's a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1½ tablespoons of vinegar, a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, that's the stronger mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Then, for the salad itself, we've got all kinds of good stuff here. Cool, going across this way, we've got 1 red bell pepper chopped and 1 yellow bell pepper chopped. Now, you could use 2 red bell peppers, you could use 2 yellow bell peppers. They happen to have yellow bell peppers today, so I wanted a little bit of color variation there. Whatever, any will do. And then, so 1 of each, or 2 bell peppers. All right. Then over here, we've got a 1/4 cup, no, sorry, 1/3 of a cup. 1/3 of a cup of sliced green olives, 1/3 of a cup of sliced black olives. I've got 2 tablespoons of capers here. And then here, I've got about 25 to 30, this is actually, I think it was about 29 today, of mini tomatoes, little tiny tomatoes cut in half. 1 can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, rinsed and drained. 1 can of red kidney beans, rinsed and drained. 1 can of corn kernels, rinsed and drained. And then across the back here, this is 6 ounces of pasta, and cooked, drained, allowed to cool. I've mixed it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So mix it up with 1 tablespoon of olive oil just to coat it, and then put it in the fridge to chill it right down. We want it good and cold. We don't want any warmth in there. Now, I used my fusilli, which I use a lot today, and that's great in this. I actually wanted to use a small shell, so you can get the little shells sometimes, but none of my local stores had it. Fusilli or macaroni was basically the choice, so I'm sticking with the fusilli. I like it because it does hold a lot of the dressing in it. All right, let's get some of the salad fixings out of the way for right now, because first thing we're going to do is mix up the dressing. So large bowl, everything goes in. So in goes the olive oil. In goes the vinegar. In goes the mayonnaise. Okay, then in goes the mustard. And last but not least, the salt and pepper. And all we're going to do now, whisk it together. That is done. That's come together really nicely. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. And now we just toss everything else. It's really simple to make. That's what I like, you know. Nothing overly ambitious or energetic on a hot day. So let's get that pasta in there. And actually, I take you that little flip around right now. Then I'm going to toss in the corn, the beans, more beans, tomatoes, yellow bell pepper, and let's get a little full, so I'm going to Just do a little flipping around here right now before I get the rest in there. Oh yeah, just kind of reaching down inside and left and turn, left and turn. All right, looking good. In goes the red bell pepper. In goes the olives. And the other olives. And the capers. I love capers. I love capers on my pizza. I don't know, do you like it on pizza? Please let me know. Who else likes capers in their pizza? I like capers, I like anchovies. Whoa, get over here. With feta cheese. Oh, just delicious, but not everybody likes that. I know some people, I had a guy I worked with who would not steal my pizza if I made sure there was a lot of anchovies in there. All right, look at that. That's all coming together just beautifully. Actually, you know, speaking of anchovies, they'd be pretty good in here too. Chop up some anchovies and throw them in there. There's a lot you can do with this. You could throw in anchovies. You could fry up pieces of bacon, let them cool. You know, drain them on a paper towel, toss them in here. There's a lot you can add into this. Ham, cut up ham would be nice. All kinds of things. All right, that is done. So what I'm going to do now is, right now it's still about, look at my watch, it is about 2 hours away from our dinner time. So I'm going to wrap this and toss it in the refrigerator, chill it down, keep it nice and chilled, and that is dinner tonight. Nice refreshing dinner on a hot evening. All right, if you like this recipe, stick around, especially if you're brand new to this channel, stick around and check out. There's a lot more here. Also, if you like this, please give me a like and let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe too and click that notification button. That way you're sure to find out new ones. I've heard from a couple people that if you only subscribe, you're not getting the notifications anymore. Happens sometimes, they kind of drop off. So click that notification bell too, that makes sure. I've done that now on a couple channels I follow, and it makes sure that I get to see what they're doing instead of kind of missing out and going, oh, I used to watch that channel, what happened to it? All right, so now go make this. Make cooking fun again and make your dinner nice and cool. All right, see you in the next one.